Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Bachcha and I'm going to take you through the website and the client login backend dashboard, which will help you to understand what the client dashboard will look like. First of all, this is our website. Our domain is sakara.in. We have mentioned all the details of the website and the applications here. We have also mentioned our vision, our mission, branding and marketing. Next section is all the things what you can do in our application, which is here, the details of the application as well, what are we offerings, and many more. From this, we will take you to client login, which is right here. After the registration, you will be getting a username and password through which you will be able to log in into the client dashboard. For now, we have taken a demo login of Cafe CO2. Let me take you through. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. First of all, you will be having a total customer count here. Okay, your average rating that the customer will give you, which is bifurcated in the graph chart. Second tab on your left hand side is going to be visitors list. This will give you all the information of the people who is going to visit your place: first name, last name, email address, contact details, gender, number of guests, date of birth, and date on which the customer has visited your place. These details are taken from the business application, which is installed at your doorstep at the time of entry. Instead of keeping a book and writing down the names and numbers, okay, we give you a business application where all these details are recorded, which can be used for your own marketing purpose. In the next section, deals. Here, you will be able to create deals, whatever deals that you want to create. You can click on add or you can edit whichever you have already edited. After this, you just have to mention a deal name, percentage, start date, end date, and a picture of it. Once you save the information, you will see such deals here, and the deal will automatically be deactivated on the day you mentioned as the end date. Our next section is going to be event section, in which you will be able to see all the events happening around in your premises, your past events as well, if the dates are gone. If you have any upcoming event, it will show you in the in-app status. If you want to add any event list, you can go to add, write down your details, mention your contact number, pay if you have any entry charges for that event. You can mention your pay URL here, on which people will be able to directly pay the XYZ amount, whatever you mentioned, the start date of the event, end date of the event, the time as well, and the description of the event. You can also toggle between status, which is active or inactive, as per your requirement, and the image of the event. In our next sections, settings, we have mentioned the highlights. Highlights are those things which you can mention on your restro card in the application. In the next section, restaurant images, where you'll have to upload your restaurant images for the customers and it will be visible on the application. I suggest you upload HD pictures so that it will be more clear. In the most like section, you can add all your highest selling dishes so that people will be able to see that and order the same. In cuisine list, here you can mention what all cuisines you serve at your restaurant. In the next section, subscription, it will show you what subscription you have right now, current subscription and the expired subscription. In the rating section, you will see all the ratings with the customer name and the review. In the next section is purple points. Again, here every username will be mentioned how much purple point he has used at your place, and how much purple points he has earned. You'll be able to see. In the action view section, you will be able to see all the details used, purple points given, and the date of the same. You can also download it from here. An Excel file will be created. In the next section, that is transaction, we can see all the transaction happening around in your premises. For example, Manisha Paul has paid these amounts, and if you want to see more details, you'll be able to see everything. What was your deal ID that she actually took up the deal, the amount of the deal, how much Sakara offered, how much purple points she received, and how much purple points she used, and everything. In the influencer section, all the Instagram influencers, registered in Instagram influencers, you'll be able to see the list of them here, from which you can directly contact them and crack a deal if you want to go in any kind of Instagram influencing. In the section of offerings, we are calling out companies related to our field, where there will be people like social media managers, creative developers, website designers, everyone, and you can contact them for your website designing or any social media management. And in the last section, Sakara support, you will be able to see our email address where you can raise your queries, your issues, and we will try to solve your issues at the earliest. Here you have my profile section. In my profile, you'll be able to change your passwords here, your company name, your business name, your category, rest of the details, contact number, and most importantly, your documents. In the documents, we need your company logo, your GST certificate, your FSI certificate, and your liquor license, if applicable. And that's all. This is how we have kept our dashboard very simple, very user friendly, and very easy to understand. Thank you so much.